Pablo Obalen. Welcome to our Pampanga. And for today's video guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City because we were invited by JAAM House of Sushi.
Yes, so makikita nyo naman sa table, yung mga pinagmamalaki nila, mga Japanese food.
Exactly. Guys, aside from the food, isa pa sa mga gustong puntahan ng mga customer dito is the place. Actually, the ambience, Japan sa Pampanga. Parang gano'n.
Yes, actually, kung mapapansin nyo dun sa harap, it's more on the Japanese style.
Yes. Dito po, so on our right side, meron tayo ditong private dining. So, you can enclose it. And then dito naman sa parang pinaka-common dining natin, meron pa silang video games. Arcade.
Street Fighter.
Yeah.
Na for free.
Yes.
Habang naghihintay na.
So, napaka-family friendly talaga.
Yes.
So let's talk about the food that they served us. What do we have?
So in front of me, we have the 31 pieces regular sushi bowl.
Sushi bowl.
Meron siyang maki, tuna, sushi, kani, and sashimi.
Wow.
So, meron tayong mga spam musubi.
Musubi.
So meron tayong teriyaki and yung kanilang kimchi.
This one, meron tayong salmon tartar crispy rice, kani crispy rice.
Wow. So this one is tuna spicy and then the red dragon sushi.
Yeah,
Now
so,
for the donburi, mga rice bowls.
Mga donburi naman natin, meron tayong gyudon, katsudon, and yung kanilang chicken teriyaki. Siyempre meron din na siyang kasamang miso soup.
Miso soup.
For our noodles, we have tantan men ramen,
Tantan
syempre
ramen.
our favorite. And meron tayong ankaki ramen. Something new.
So basically this one's
It's seafood.
Seafood. So what else are we gonna do? Grabe, tikman na natin.
Yes, that's it.
Tikman na natin to. Right, so there you have it guys. Again, another great discovery para sa atin.
Yes, another option kung kayo nag-crave ng mga Japanese food, especially yung mga ganito klaseng boats naman. Ako, isa sa mga na-enjoy ko yung kanilang musubi.
Musubi.
Yeah, recommended ko yung musubi nila.
Ako, nag-enjoy ako dito sa tantan. Talagang naubos. At dito sa kanilang boat.
Wow, sushi bowl. Ako naman dun sa donburi nila. Little bit salty and sweet. Para sa akin, yun yung mga mapaparami ka talaga ng rice.
Yes, if you want to go here dito sa my JAAM House of Sushi, located lang ito sa may TL Plaza, Bulong-Bulo, Angeles City.
Yes, guys, if you are looking for authentic Japanese dishes, authentic Japanese ambience, yun guys, this is another place for you to check out. And we would like to thank them for being such a generous. Dami po na pinatihim sa akin. Right, so there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Bye guys.